Hi guys, welcome to class. When we're having high pain days, our general tension within our muscles is a bit on the high side due to the anticipation of pain. When this happens, we don't really realize how much full body tension we're carrying in our body. So this is a simple 10-minute practice to release the tension that is built up in areas that you aren't even expecting. So lie yourself down, soften the gaze or close the eyes, and then take up space with your body. And then just notice the breath. We're going to do a body scan, go through each area of the body, tense it and relax and release it to feel heavy and to feel soft afterward. Carry your attention to the crown of your head, top of your head. And then for the next 10-15 seconds, scrunch in the facial muscles, clench the teeth, clench the jaw, scrunch the ears up. Hold here for a few more seconds, really scrunching it is, contracting those muscles. And then on exhale, release the tension. Let the face, the head, the ears, the jaw feel heavy and relaxed. And move your tension to be a ring around your whole neck space. Hold the awareness through your neck and your shoulder region. And then for the next 10-15 seconds, scrunch the neck, raise the shoulders. Imagine you're bracing and squeezing into these areas. Hold for a few more seconds. Relax the muscle tension, release the shoulders down, lengthen the neck away from the shoulders. Feel heavy and long through this region. And then wash your awareness over both arms, upper arm, forearm, wrists, palm, fingers. And then you know where we're going with this. Scrunch those muscles in, flex your biceps, squeeze the fingers into the palm, contract the wrist. Good, and release that tension, let it go. Soften the arms, widen the hands, shake out the shoulders. Bring your awareness across your chest space, belly space. Wrap it around towards the back body, back of chest. And then imagine you're scrunching that area, engage your abs, tighten your chest, compress the heart and lung space. Hold here. And then on exhale, deep release, soften the belly, lift the ribs with a breath, give space to your heart and your lungs. Drop the awareness into the pelvic bowl, hip region. Wash it around to the sacrum, butt muscles, the root of our spinal cord. Engage your pelvic floor, your low belly, your glute muscles, the lower abs. Hold it in, compress, compress. Exhale, big release, soften the pelvic bowl, the glute muscles, lower abs. And start to wash your awareness down through both thighs, knees, shin, calf, ankle, feet, and toes. Next, big breath in. Engage your quads, lift the knees, squeeze the ankles in, squeeze the toes in, flex the arches of your feet. Engage your calf muscles, hold. Good, exhale, big release out of the mouth. Relax the leg muscles, the toes, ankles. And then bring your awareness from tips of toes to crown of head. Wash the awareness back down, crown of head to tips of toes. Can you feel the buzzing you're feeling through your whole being? And then you have this wide awareness of your whole vessel, your whole space you're taking up. On an inhale, engage everything in, crunch in, feel tension through all the muscles that you can engage right now. Scrunch the face, the hips, the abs, the toes, the fingers. Hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Get heavy. Sink into the back body, into whatever is holding you up. And then we're going to very meticulously go through our facial muscles to release out any tension that may be lingering in the body. Try to widen the space between your hairline and your eyebrows. Let the eyes land heavier in their sockets and eyelids feel loose. Tongue is heavy in the mouth. Chin is loose. Jaw is heavy. Breath is full, coming in